Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a very special car. It's an L78 1969 El Camino SS loaded up. She's sitting on period Cragars right now. I got the owner, John, here. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. Man, what a unique car. Kind of a unicorn, right?
It is a unicorn. Very unique car for 1969. Biggest engine and turbo 400 trans you could get that year. Car is got the original 12 bolt 410 rear and completely rebuilt engine and trans.
Awesome. Got the original wheels too.
Yes, the original wheels. The original SS wheels that came with it on the factory.
Cool.
And they are included with the sale of the car.
They're wrapped in polys.
Exactly.
Man, nice stance too. Love that color. That is fantastic. Old school traction bars on the underneath that you could see.
Back in the day.
Back in the day, they got the adjustment on the top.
Yep.
I don't think I've ever seen those before with that adjustment.
One of the previous owners put the traction bars on there and added a class 3 hitch, so you never see that combination.
Yeah, that is pretty cool. Just unique. Man, original wheels. Man, old school too. Those are F78s. Very cool. Original trunk mat down there too. Beautiful paint. It's got a lot of metallic in it. Hey John, can you pop the hood? There she is. 396, 375 horse. Our steering, power brakes. Man, with tower clamps and everything. L78CX. As it was. Pretty cool car. Very unique.
The correct Winters intake manifold that came with it on from the factory, and the correct Holley carb.
Oh wow, what's that, a 650 double pumper?
I think it's a
700?
760 or something CFM. I believe that's what came with it from the factory.
Cool.
And plenty of car for that engine.
Yeah.
Runs great.
Wow, very cool.
You don't see this too often anymore.
Long tube headers.
Original insulation in there.
Wow.
Unless somebody reproduced it.
Very cool. Electronic ignition. New radiator hose. I'll show you guys that block pad. You can check it out on the website. Let's fire this bad boy up. Sounds nice. I like how you can hear the lifters.
You can hear the solid lifters.
Yeah. Solid lifters. It sounds so good.
The previous owner did the engine build.
How long ago?
He knew what he was doing. Sometime within the last 3 to 5 years, from what I understand.
How many miles do you think are on the build?
I'm guessing somewhere between 3,000 to 5,000 miles.
Runs nice and strong. Yeah.
She runs strong.
Man, you must get a lot of questions at the shows with this. It's pretty cool. You know, it's not like something you see every day. You know?
Very many of these cars survive.
I don't think so either. Nice and healthy. Very cool. There's a little 3-spoke wheel. Love that tack, man. That is cool. A 6,000 RPM red line. Clock is still ticking. Pretty cool. Deluxe door panels. Gotta love the wind wing, you know? Wish they still had that wind wing. It's cool. It's got a show board back here too. John, can you pull that out? Let's just set it right up in front. Got some nice docks with this too, right? Very cool. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. John, awesome car. Thanks for showing it today. Hit that, smash that subscribe button below. Visit our website, weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.